Hi guys, I will show you on this video how to install and use Smartone IPTV on a Samsung Smart TV. So first you will need to click on the home button, which is on the middle of the remote control. So you click on it, then you go to apps and you go up to app search, then you type Smartone. So now I can see my app. I will select it. I will click on it, then click on install. Wait for the app to get installed, and once it's installed, click on open. So the app is loading, and once the app is completely installed, it will show this screen. So you will need a playlist to get the app working. You can buy the playlist from the website that is on the first comment. You can also find the link of this website in the description, or you can contact us on WhatsApp if you need support.